What's inside JLPT N5 Day 4 Grammar Part 2? This is the second video of the Grammar Bonjour. First video covered 問題1 and 問題2, and this video covers 問題3. Let's start. Part 3 Grammar and Context. We are now here. 問題3 looks like this. 問題3、22から26に何を入れますか？文章の意味を考えて1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。What do you put in number 22 to 26? Please think about the meaning of the text and choose the best one from 1 to 3 and 4. You are asked, can you use your grammar knowledge and context? 問題3 is a good mixture of assessing your reading skill and grammar knowledge. To answer the questions, you need to understand the text. Let's check an example question. In this video, I'll show you first part of 問題3. Remember, JLPT wants to know whether you can use grammar knowledge and context or not. Then, how do you know the context? I'll tell you. The introduction shows you the context of the text. Read the introduction carefully. 日本で勉強している学生が好きな店の文章を書いてクラスのみんなの前で読みました。This sentence introduces the scene where the students are studying in the classroom and explain why the following texts are written. 日本で勉強している学生 They are students and came to Japan for studying. 好きな店 This is the topic. クラスのみんなの前で読みました。This is what they are doing right now. You've learned a lot about the text you read. What will you do next? Read the choices to find out the grammar points. Here are the choices. 1. 行くから 2. 行ってから 3. 来るから 4. 来てから What do you find? First pair, number 1 and number 2 means go, and number 3, number 4 means come. So 行く or 来る. And this pair, number 1 and number 3 is dictionary form, and kara means because, reason. Okay, and this pair, te form and kara means first action and then, or since I did some action. Shows sequence. Now you understand the choices. Then read the text. Ken sanの文章 Ken-san's text. 私は寿司が好きです。I like sushi. 日本にはたくさん寿司屋がありますね。There are many sushi shops in Japan. 私の国には寿司屋がありませんから、今とても嬉しいです。Because there is no sushi shops in my country, I'm very happy now. 日本に Number 22. いろいろな店で食べました。I've eaten at various shops. You have already know the choices. So, 行く or 来る But let's check these pairs. Where do you find the answer? In the introduction. Here, they came to Japan. So, 来る or 来て come is the possible answers. Right? So, let's check number 3 and number 4 now. Number 3 is reason. So, it should be because I will come to Japan. Number 4 is 来てから. So means sequence. First I came to Japan and then, or since I came to Japan, which one is suitable for this text? Yes. 来てから. First I came to Japan and then, or since I came to Japan, I ate at various shops. So number 4 is the answer. Topic 4, read the introduction carefully. Topic 5, read the choices to find out grammar points. Then you can get the answer. Round up. Topic 4, JLPT wants to know whether you can use your grammar skill and context or not. Read an introduction carefully and grasp the context. Topic 5, read choices first to know what kind of grammar points are asked. After this preparation, start reading a text. You'll find it easier to get answers. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like the video. Do you know someone who might be interested in this video? Please share. If you're interested in learning authentic Japanese, Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell mark. You can get the notification when I upload a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you soon. またね